In this video, we're going to discuss what a custom smile is, or what a custom smile makeover is, as I refer to it as my test drive your smile technique. So generally speaking, in the past, when people went for smile makeovers to a dentist, what would happen is they would come in, discuss the procedure, and look at a combination of porcelain crowns or veneers or bridges if they're missing teeth to make over their smile. They would sit in and start, and then a few weeks later, the first day the dentist would reshape their teeth for the porcelain crowns or veneers, put on temporaries, and a couple weeks later the real ones would come in, the temporaries would come off, and the real porcelain crowns or veneers would be put on the teeth, and that would be the result. And people would generally have to accept whatever was given to them. And it was usually at the dentist's discretion at the size, the shape, and the color, and the look of the overall smile. Well, that is not the case. What we do here is what I call the test drive your smile technique. It's a custom smile, and the way this works is like this. The first day when you come in and decide to do a smile makeover, what we're going to do is create a vision for your new smile. And you can have as little or as much input as you want. We're going to sit there and take impressions, take photos of your teeth, measure your teeth, and we're going to have an open conversation about what looks nice in the smile. I'll give you some pointers on how a smile works and how it should follow the contour of your lower lip and how the gum line should be. And I'll show you a catalog of different smiles. And you can help and work with me and put as much or as little input into this as you want. But that day we'll create a vision for your smile together. Now, when I get sort of what your thoughts are and I kind of take notes on what I see in your smile, I'm going to gather up all of our notes, all your photos, as well as your impressions. I'm going to send it to California. I work with the #1 smile maker in the world. His name's Bob Clark. He's in Gilroy, California. And what he does after he receives everything, he'll call me up and pull your photos up in Gilroy. I'll pull them up here in Halifax. And the three of us, what he sees in your smile, what I see in your smile, and what you've told me you're concerned with in your smile, the three of us will design a smile custom for you. And then when you come back about a week later and we start the procedure by numbing the teeth and reshape them for porcelain, we actually put on temporaries that are in the vision of your final smile. You go home and you test drive your smile. That's right, you go home and you spend time with your friends or your family. You look in the mirror and you come back 3 or 4 days later and you sit down with me and you let me know what you think. At that appointment, we can customize the size, the shape, and the color to exactly your liking. So if the temporaries are a little bit too white, we can tone them down. If they're not white enough, we can make them more white. If the teeth are too long, we can shorten them up, etc., etc. But at the temporary phase, we will basically modify your temporaries until you are incredibly happy with the look of the temporaries. Then we'll duplicate that for your real porcelain teeth. And then you come back 2 weeks later. What we do, we numb the teeth, remove the temporary, cement in the individual porcelain teeth, and now you have a smile that's custom made for you. So no two smiles are alike, and our goal is to make you exceptionally happy with your new smile. So in this video, I explained what a custom smile is.